Anda ingin jadi diamond?
You better put 20 on your front line right away.
Anda harus cepat sponsori 20 orang baru.
You know the vital signs.
Anda tahu vital sign-nya.
So you need to get out and talk to people.
Dan mulailah presentasi.
And that is my favorite part about the business.
Dan itulah bagian yang saya sukai dengan
I
usaha
love
ini.
connecting with people.
Saya senang berhubungan dengan
I
orang.
love meeting and making new friends.
Saya senang membuat teman baru.
And that's what's so great about our business.
Dan itulah yang terbaik dari bisnis
We
ini.
actually get paid to meet and make new friends.
Bayangkan kita dibayar untuk menemukan teman-teman baru.
Oh, I love my business.
Oh, saya senang sekali usaha
And I
ini.
love to share it with people.
Dan saya senang berbagi untuk
You need
orang
to do the
lain.
same thing.
Anda harus begitu juga.
You need to talk to everybody around you.
Anda harus presentasi semua orang di sekitar Anda.
There's enough people that you could meet after this meeting in that mall to go diamond.
Bahkan di luar mall itu saja sudah cukup orang untuk membuat Anda jadi diamond.
What a beautiful mall.
Mallnya bagus sekali di luar.
There's many people there that want to be in your business.
Banyak sekali orang yang mau ikut bisnis Anda.
They just don't know about your business.
Cuma mereka belum tahu tentang Anda.
That's your job.
Itu tugas
You need
Anda.
to share your business with them.
Anda perlu berbagi pada mereka.
And that's just one of the most fun parts for me.
Dan itu bagian yang paling indah untuk saya.
As Bob said, I connect with the people.
Kalau Bob bilang saya senang berhubungan dengan
I
orang
get
lain.
to know them.
Saya senang
I find out
berkenalan.
about their dreams.
Saya temukan impian
And then he
mereka.
goes in and sponsors them.
Dan saya sponsori mereka.
We're a good team.
Kita tim yang baik.
So I don't care what part you do.
Jadi saya nggak tahu apa bagian
Or maybe
Anda.
you're single in the business.
Apakah Anda masih single?
You get to do it all.
Lakukan semuanya sendiri.
You get to meet the people.
Anda harus
You
berkenalan
get
dengan
to
orang.
sponsor them and put them in the business.
Anda sponsor yang masukkan ke
And when you
bisnis
go
ini.
diamond, you get to spend all the money.
Dan waktu Anda jadi diamond, Anda habiskan uangnya.
So that's one of my favorite parts.
Itu juga bagian yang
I
favorit
thought
untuk
maybe
saya.
I'd give you a few examples of how I meet people.
Tadi mungkin saya sudah coba berikan contoh bagaimana saya bertemu orang.
One of the easiest ways to meet people is wherever you are.
Cara yang paling sederhana untuk bertemu dengan orang dimanapun Anda berada.
As Bob said, I love kids.
Seperti Bob bilang, saya senang anak kecil.
Don't you love kids?
Ada yang senang anak kecil?
After all, you once were a kid.
Dulu juga Anda pernah jadi anak
Did you love it
kecil.
when people paid attention to you?
Apakah Anda senang kalau ada orang perhatian pada Anda?
So I pay attention to the kids.
Jadi saya selalu beri perhatian pada anak-anak.
And whenever I'm in a store,
Dan pada saat saya di toko-toko,
and the mother has a cute little baby in a stroller or in the basket,
dan ada ibu-ibu yang menggendong atau mendorong bayi mereka,
I talk to the baby.
saya bicara pada bayinya.
I say, oh, you're such a beautiful baby.
Saya bilang, aduh kamu cantik sekali.
If it's not a beautiful baby, I say, oh, what a baby.
Kalau dia nggak cantik, saya bilang, wah hebat sekali bayinya.
All babies are beautiful.
Semua bayi itu cantik.
And I ask the baby questions.
Saya bertanya pada bayinya.
I say, what is your
Saya
name?
bilang, namanya siapa kamu?
And the mother answers.
Yang jawab ibunya pasti.
I say, what is your name?
Saya tanya, kamu namanya
The mother
siapa?
says, Sarah.
Ibunya bilang, Sarah.
And then I say, what does your daddy do?
Terus saya tanya, bapak kamu kerja di
And the
mana?
mother says, he's an engineer.
Ibunya yang menjawab, seorang insinyur.
And then I say, I bet he loves spending time with you.
Terus saya tanya, dia punya waktu banyak nggak untuk
And the
kamu?
mother says, he doesn't spend enough time with her.
Terus ibunya bilang, ayahnya tidak punya waktu untuk dia.
If you talk to the babies in the baskets,
Kalau Anda bicara pada bayi,
the mothers will give you all the answers you want
ibunya yang akan menjawab semua
and all the
pertanyaan Anda.
information that you need
Dan semua informasi yang
to
Anda
approach them for
butuhkan,
our business
Anda bisa sponsori
and put them in
mereka.
business with you.
Dan masukkan ke bisnis Anda.
We met a couple on the beach one day,
Suatu hari kami berjalan di pantai.
and their little boys were playing with our son.
Dan ada seorang laki-laki yang bermain dengan anaknya.
And so we started talking to the couple,
Kita mulai bicara pada pasangan
and
itu.
they were from a different state from ours.
Ternyata mereka dari negara bagian yang
We
lain.
started talking to them, and they were very nice people.
Kita mulai ngobrol-ngobrol dan mereka baik
And we were
sekali.
kind of in a rush
Kami agak terburu-buru
because we had some meetings to go to.
karena kita harus datang ke seminar.
But before we left them our card,
Tapi sebelumnya kami tinggalkan kartu nama kami.
and they were on vacation.
Dan waktu itu mereka sedang berlibur.
Our boys played while we were there that weekend.
Jadi di weekend itu anak-anak kami bermain.
We got to know them a little bit,
Kami berkenalan dengan mereka.
and we really never had time to show them the plan before they left.
Dan kami akan presentasi sebelum mereka pergi pulang.
But they took our business card with them.
Tapi dia membawa kartu nama kami.
Apparently, every year they came to that same hotel in Florida and had a vacation.
Dan mereka itu kalau datang ke Florida selalu nginap di hotel yang sama.
They were from another state, Alabama.
Mereka datang dari Alabama.
And when they called to get reservations the same time the next year,
Dan tahun depan saat mereka kembali lagi ke negara
the
bagian ini,
hotel said every room was taken.
hotelnya bilang semua kamar sudah penuh.
They said, how can this be? We come there every time this year. We need our room.
Mereka bilang gimana bisa setiap tahun kita
They
sudah
said, well,
kesini.
there's a business convention here.
Mereka bilang karena ada pertemuan bisnis.
They said, what kind of business convention?
Mereka tanya pertemuan bisnis apa?
And they said, a Network 21 business convention.
Mereka bilang ini ada seminar Network 21.
And the man said, I remember the business
Dia
card.
bilang wah saya ingat kartu nama
He
itu.
went back to his wallet. He had saved our card.
Dia ambil di dompetnya masih ada kartu nama kami.
And so he called us up.
Langsung dia telepon kami.
He said, do you have the whole hotel booked?
Dia bilang, kamu booking satu hotel?
And we said, yes, we do.
Saya bilang, ya kami booking satu
We
hotel.
have many people coming to our meeting.
Karena banyak orang yang akan hadir.
He said, well, if I come to your meeting, can I get a hotel room?
Dia bilang, kalau kita datang ke seminar, kita bisa
We
dapat
said,
kamar.
yes, we could work that out.
Saya bilang, oke, nanti saya cariin kamar kalau kamu mau datang
So they
seminar.
came down a day before the meeting.
Jadi dia datang sebelum seminarnya.
We took them out to dinner.
Kita ajak mereka makan
We showed
malam.
them the plan.
Kita presentasikan.
They came to the
Dia
weekend.
datang ke seminar.
They got very excited.
Mereka semangat.
And they became some of our DDs.
Dan mereka jadi salah satu dari
That's
didik
all from
kami.
our children meeting on the beach.
Itu cuma dari teman
So
anak-anak
just
kami
talk
ketemu
to
di
the people
pantai.
around you.
Jadi berkenalanlah dengan sekeliling
Talk to the
Anda.
babies in the buggies.
Bicara pada bayi-bayi di
Talk to
kereta.
everybody.
Berkenalan dengan semua orang.
There's many people in those stores out there.
Banyak sekali orang-orang di toko di sana.
I'll tell you another story.
Saya ceritakan cerita yang lain.
One time I walked into a store,
Suatu hari saya pergi ke sebuah toko.
and over the loudspeaker in the store I heard a German accent.
Dan saya mendengar di loudspeaker di toko itu ada aksen Jerman.
At the time we were very new in our business.
Waktu itu kami masih baru di
We were
bisnis ini.
still engaged and not married yet.
Kami masih bertunangan dan belum menikah.
And I thought, that name sounds like, that voice sounds like they're from Germany.
Terus saya mendengar, saya bilang, wah ini suaranya kayaknya orang Jerman.
And our business was about to open in Germany.
Saat itu MW baru akan buka di
This is
Jerman.
way before Indonesia ever opened up.
Ini jauh sebelum MW buka di
So I
Indonesia.
decided, how am I going to meet this person?
Terus saya tanya, gimana caranya ketemu dia?
It was a very big store.
Karena ini toko yang besar sekali.
Probably 1,000 people worked there.
Karyawannya ada 1.000 orang lebih.
So I went up to the manager up front of the store.
Jadi saya hampiri manajer tokonya.
And I said, where is the girl that's talking over the loudspeaker?
Saya bertanya, di mana gadis yang bicara di speaker itu?
And he said, oh, you mean Ingrid?
Terus dia bilang, oh maksud Anda
And I
Ingrid?
said, ah, a German name.
Saya bilang, nah dapat namanya.
And he said, Ingrid is up in that little glass box back in the back of the store.
Terus dia bilang, Ingrid di sana bertugas di sebuah
He
kotak
said,
di
you go up
sana.
that staircase,
Saya naik ke atas,
knock on the door,
saya ketuk
and you
pintunya.
can meet her.
Anda bisa ketemu dia.
So I walked from the front of the store,
Jadi saya naik dari depan,
way back to the back of the
ke
store,
belakang dari
up the
toko,
staircase.
naik
And
tangga.
all while I'm going back, I'm thinking about what I'm going to say to her.
Sambil naik saya berpikir, saya mau ngomong
I
apa
didn't
ya?
know her.
Saya belum kenal.
Just like you don't know a lot of the people out there.
Seperti Anda belum kenal
But I
orang di
knew I
luar.
could figure out something by the time I got there.
Tapi saya tahu saya akan dapat ide nanti.
So at the top of the stairs, I knocked on the door.
Jadi saya ketok pintu kamar
And
kerjanya.
she opened the door.
Dia buka
And
pintunya.
I said, are you Ingrid?
Langsung saya tanya, kamu Ingrid
She
ya?
said, yes, I am. How do you know my name?
Dia bilang, iya saya Ingrid. Dari mana kamu tahu?
And so I told her I heard her over the loudspeaker.
Saya bilang, saya dengar kamu di
And that my
loudspeaker.
fiance and I were starting a business and that was going to expand to Germany.
Terus saya bilang, tunangan saya dan saya akan bisnis dan buka di
She got
Jerman.
very excited.
Dia semangat.
I said, how did you come to be in our country?
Terus dia bilang, gimana caranya kamu akan ke negara kami?
She said, I was an Olympic skater.
Oh, dia mulai kerja di
I
Amerika.
skated in your country.
Dia pemain skating di
I met a
Amerika.
wonderful American man.
Kemudian dia menikah dengan orang
And I married
Amerika
him and stayed here.
dan tinggal di Amerika.
And she said, I don't know many people here.
Dia bilang, saya belum kenal banyak orang di sini.
And I said, well, I know lots of people here.
Saya bilang, saya kenal banyak orang di
And I
sini.
said, we'd like to get together with you and your husband. I noticed she had a wedding ring on.
Saya intip tangannya ada cincin
You
kawin.
must be very observant.
Jadi Anda perlu mengamati.
And I said, could we come over and talk with you and your husband and you could tell us about the country of Germany?
Terus saya bilang, bisa nggak kita ketemu dengan suami Anda dan
She got very
ngobrol?
excited about
Dia
that.
semangat
She
sekali.
said, oh yes, you must come over and meet Steve.
Dia bilang, oh ya kamu harus
I
datang
said,
dan
well,
bertemu
give me your
Steve.
name and phone number.
Saya bilang, berikan nomor telepon Anda.
She didn't have a card, so I let her put it on the back of one of my cards.
Dia tidak punya kartu nama, jadi saya tulis
She put both of
namanya.
their names,
Dia tulis namanya,
Steve and Ingrid.
Steve dan Ingrid.
And when I went home, Bob called them.
Dan waktu kami sampai rumah, Bob yang menelpon.
And he said, my girlfriend met you,
Steve bilang, pacar saya tadi ketemu
and
Anda.
she said you're going to tell us a little bit about Germany because our business is going to expand there.
Terus Bob bilang, kayaknya kita perlu bicara soal Jerman.
So they had us come over to their house that night.
Jadi kami datang ke rumah kami mereka malam itu.
We told them put on the coffee pot,
Kami bawa,
and we would bring
Kopi.
some dessert.
kita berikan makanan kecil.
So we arrived at their house.
Kami bawa makanan kecil, kami pergi ke
We
rumahnya.
got there, it was like Ingrid and I had known each other forever. We hugged.
Sampai di sana kita seperti udah teman
We
lama aja.
introduced Steve and Bob,
Kita kenalkan Steve dengan Bob.
and they started telling us about Germany.
Dan mereka mulai bercerita tentang Jerman.
And we said, oh, that will be a very good country for our business.
Terus saya bilang, wah itu negara yang tepat untuk bisnis kami.
And they said, what is your business?
Dia tanya, bisnisnya apa sih?
Tell us about your business.
Ceritakan dong tentang
If
bisnisnya.
you will just act interested in people, they will ask you about your business.
Kalau Anda tunjukkan Anda tertarik dengan
And
orang
when
lain,
they
mereka akan
ask you,
tanya.
you have to show them.
Dan tunjukkan
And then they
presentasinya.
will be very excited.
Dan mereka pasti akan semangat.
So Steve and Ingrid got very excited about the business.
Jadi waktu itu Steve dan Ingrid semangat
And they got
sekali.
in the business that night.
Mereka join malam itu juga.
And they started getting excited about doing the business in the U.S. and in Germany.
Dan mereka mau bangun usaha ini di Amerika dan di Jerman.
So they started building the business in our country.
Jadi mereka mulai bangun usaha ini di
They were learning
Amerika.
all about the products
Mereka kita ajarkan
and
produknya
learning what they were going to do when they went to Germany.
dan belajar apa yang harus dilakukan di Jerman.
Because Ingrid wanted to go back and see her family
Karena Ingrid nanti akan pulang
and start them in business with her.
dan berbisnis di Jerman.
Then a very sad thing happened.
Tapi kemudian ada cerita sedih.
Steve and Ingrid decided they didn't love each other anymore,
Steve dan Ingrid memutuskan mereka tidak saling mencintai lagi
and they got divorced.
dan mereka bercerai.
This was very sad for them,
Ini menyedihkan untuk mereka,
but it was very good for our business
tapi menguntungkan untuk kami.
because Steve stayed in the United States and built the business,
Karena Steve tinggal di Amerika
and Ingrid went back to Germany and went silver in Germany.
dan Ingrid pulang ke Jerman jadi
So we have
silver
two
di Jerman.
businesses.
Jadi kita punya dua bisnis
So you
sekarang.
work it however it works.
Jadi begitu ceritanya.
And so when life hands you lemons,
Jadi kalau kehidupan memberikan Anda
sour
lemon,
taste,
rasanya asam,
you make lemonade.
Anda buat lemonade.
So you make it work.
Jadi Anda membuatnya lebih
So
enak.
that was just a contact that I met in a store one day.
Itu hanya dari orang yang saya temui di toko.
And we ended up having business in 2 countries from that.
Dari sana kami punya bisnis di 2 negara.
And from the couple that we met on the beach, Ron and Sarah,
Dari Sarah yang kami ketemu di
just because our
pantai.
children were playing together on the beach,
Karena anak-anak kami bermain dengan anak-anak mereka,
we were able to meet them and they became our DDs.
kami bantu dan mereka jadi Didi.
Now don't believe that everybody that I prospect becomes a DD.
Jangan percaya bahwa semua orang yang saya prospek jadi Didi.
In fact, as I told you earlier, we sponsored 75 on our front line the first year and we didn't go DD.
Tadi siang saya sudah bilang, tahun pertama kami sponsori 75 orang dan kami saja belum
Do
Didi.
you know why this was?
Anda tahu kenapa itu?
Because we were very bad at this business.
Karena kami bodoh sekali sebenarnya di usaha
As
ini.
Doug Weed would say,
Seperti yang dikatakan Duckweed.
he would say we were bad people.
Kita bilang kita ini orang-orang jelek.
But we weren't, we were just bad at the business.
Tapi kita bodoh di bisnis ini.
So we started listening to the tapes
Karena kita bisa belajar
and
dari
reading
kaset,
the books
baca bukunya,
and started sharing the plan with lots of people.
dan mulai mempresentasikan orang banyak.
And we decided we were going to be big in the business.
Jadi sejak itu kami putuskan untuk besar
We
di usaha
decided we were
ini.
going to talk to lots of people.
Kami putuskan untuk bicara dengan
So we
banyak
started
orang.
sharing the plan with everybody.
Untuk berbagi presentasi dengan orang
And I
lain.
shared the technique earlier with you that we would put our ear up to their chest.
Dan tadi saya sudah ajarkan tekniknya dengan mendengarkan
there was
degup
a heartbeat
jantungnya.
there,
Kalau selama ada denyut
They got to
jantungnya,
see our business.
mereka harus lihat
We
presentasi.
gave them a chance to be in business with us.
Kita kasih kesempatan untuk mereka ikut usaha ini.
Are you giving enough people a chance to be in business with you?
Apakah Anda beri kesempatan kepada orang cukup untuk ikut usaha
Are you
ini?
putting enough on the front line?
Apakah perolehan Anda sudah cukup?
Maybe it's because you're not opening your mouth.
Kalau belum, mungkin karena Anda kurang buka mulut.
That's just one of the easiest things we could do.
Itu hal yang paling mudah yang bisa kita
It
lakukan.
doesn't cost us any money,
Nggak perlu bayar.
yet it will help your dreams come true and their dreams come true also.
Dan karena itu Anda bisa membangun impian Anda dan mewujudkan impian mereka juga.
So you need to talk to people.
Jadi Anda perlu bicara pada orang.
You need to talk to people wherever you
Anda
are.
perlu bicara pada orang dimanapun mereka
Doesn't
berada.
matter whether it's in the grocery store
Apakah itu di toko,
or in the shopping mall
atau di pertokoan,
or on the beach
atau di pantai,
or at work.
atau di tempat kerja.
You know, you just talk to people wherever you are.
Bicaralah pada semua orang dimanapun.
It's a good place to talk to people even in the elevator.
Bahkan di dalam lift aja kita bisa
You know,
bicara dengan orang.
elevators are funny places.
Lift itu tempat yang kecil sekali.
Everybody steps in the elevator
Semua masuk ke dalam kotak itu.
and they all stand frontwards.
Semua berdirinya
They
lurus.
look at the numbers and
Semua melihat
they're
angka-angka
totally silent.
dan menutup mulut.
So I'm not that way when I get in an elevator.
Tapi saya nggak begitu kalau masuk ke dalam lift.
Sometimes I just turn around like this
Kadang-kadang saya malah berbalik kepada
and
mereka.
I look at the people
Saya liatin orang-orangnya.
smile.
Dan mereka mulai
and they
tersenyum.
wonder what I'm up to and they ask me.
Dan mereka mulai bertanya pada
You
saya.
just smile and be happy.
Ada senyum saja dan kelihatan
And some
bahagia.
people get very nervous.
Karena banyak orang kelihatan grogi.
They're the ones that need us the most.
Mereka sebenarnya yang butuh kita.
But just do something different than most people do.
Tapi lakukan hal yang berbeda dibanding orang lain.
Talk to people about what a beautiful place you're in.
Bicaralah, Anda tinggal di tempat yang
Or
bagus
what a
ini.
great day it is.
Atau hari ini yang hari yang baik.
Or if it's raining, say, oh, we needed that rain.
Kalau hujan Anda bilang, wah ini hujan ya.
Or if they have children with them, talk to their children.
Kalau mereka bawa anak, bicara pada
Just
anak-anak
meet
mereka.
people wherever you are.
Berkenalan dengan banyak orang.
We just went to work with our IBOs in Greece.
Kami bekerja sama dengan IBO kami di Yunani.
And I had been talking to our new IBOs about getting more contacts.
Kami ajarkan bagaimana untuk mengkontak orang-orang baru.
And I talked to them about talking to people on the elevator.
Terus saya ajarkan di Yunani ini bagaimana bicara dengan orang di lift.
And so our host couple came onto the elevator with me.
Jadi waktu itu host couple saya masuk lift bersama saya.
It was somebody that was a new DD in our group.
Orang ini ada Didi di grup saya.
And so when we got on the elevator,
Waktu kami masuk ke dalam lift,
the couple got on the elevator.
ada sepasang lainnya di
I
dalam.
got on the elevator.
Saya ada di dalam
And at the
lift,
last minute, somebody ran and got on the
dan
elevator.
tiba-tiba ada orang baru lagi masuk.
So I thought I better do what I told him I do.
Jadi lebih bagus saya contohkan yang
And
tadi
I
saya
said,
ajarkan.
hi, how are you?
Terus saya tanya, hai apa kabar?
I figured if he didn't speak English, he wouldn't answer me.
Karena dia nggak bisa bahasa Inggris, dia diem aja.
He happened to be English from America.
Dia untungnya orang Inggris yang dari
And I said, oh, you're
Amerika.
from America.
Terus saya bilang, kamu dari
He said, yes,
Amerika?
I am.
Dia bilang, ya
I said,
saya.
where in America?
Kita juga
He
orang
said, Phoenix,
Amerika.
Arizona.
Kita dari
I
Phoenix,
said, oh, it's a
Arizona.
great state. It's real hot there.
Saya bilang, wah itu
He
negara
said, yeah,
bagian
it
yang
is. He
bagus.
said, it's hot here too. I just went out and bought some new shorts so I could go out in the sun.
Terus dia cerita, saya baru beli kaos
And he
ini.
opened up his package
Dia buka
and he showed me
kopernya.
his new shorts.
Dia tunjukkan celana
And the
pendeknya.
people were there standing next to me,
Orang-orang di dalam lift itu semua kaget.
and they heard me talking to him.
Lihat saya berbicara dengan
And
dia.
in a minute, the doors opened,
Dan 1 menit kemudian
and he
pintunya
went off on
terbuka.
his way.
Dan dia keluar.
So I showed people that you just talk to people wherever you are,
Jadi saya contohkan begitu berbicara dengan orang lain.
and you just talk to happy people.
Dan bicaralah pada orang-orang yang kelihatan
At
happy.
that same hotel, we went into the executive lounge
Di hotel yang sama kami pergi
where they
ke
serve
lounge
breakfast in the morning,
ya untuk makan pagi.
where we were having our meetings with our group,
Ini di hotel di mana kami
and there
berkumpul
was a
kami.
wonderful hostess in that lounge.
Dan ada pelayan yang ramah di sana.
And every morning when I went in there, we would talk, she and I.
Setiap kali pergi kami ajak
She would
bicara.
practice her English on me.
Dia senang bicara dengan
We talked
saya.
about where I was from, and we talked about where she was from.
Kita ngobrol dia dari mana, saya dari mana.
And so by the last day I was there, when I went in there, she already had my breakfast all ready for me, exactly what I wanted to eat.
Jadi di hari terakhir mereka bahkan dia sudah siapkan makan pagi
And
kesukaan
she said,
saya.
where have you been? You're late this morning.
Bahkan dia tanya, kamu kenapa terlambat pagi
And so you
ini?
make friends wherever you are.
Jadi bertemanlah dengan banyak orang.
And so just before I said, oh, we're leaving today, and we had a few early meetings.
Terus saya bilang, kita ada pertemuan pagi ini.
And she said, oh, I don't want you to leave.
Terus dia bilang, wah jangan pergi.
And I said, well, you know, we've been here for a while, and we have beautiful flowers in our room.
Terus saya bilang, kita sudah beberapa hari di sini, banyak
And she
kembang-kembang
said,
bagus di kamar
oh,
saya.
are you in room number such and such?
Terus dia bilang, oh kamu di kamar nomor ini ya?
She knew the maid that had been cleaning our room.
Dia tahu dari orang yang
I said,
membersihkan
yes,
kamar
that's our
kami.
room.
Saya bilang, ya itu kamar kami.
I said, why don't you take those beautiful flowers and give them to somebody in your family?
Terus saya bilang, kenapa kamu gak ambil
She
kembang-kembang
said, oh,
itu?
that's so nice.
Dia bilang, oh itu baik sekali.
And she said, will you be coming back to Greece?
Dia bilang, kapan kamu akan kembali ke
I said, of
Yunani?
course I'll be coming back.
Saya bilang, pasti saya akan
And
kembali.
so I told her, why don't you give me your name and address?
Terus saya minta namanya
And
dan
so she started
teleponnya.
writing down her name and her address.
Dia mulai tuliskan
And I told her I'd get in
alamatnya.
touch with her next time I got to Greece.
Terus saya bilang, nanti saya akan hubungi dia.
So I will call her before I get there the next time,
Yang berikutnya sebelum saya sampai, saya telepon dia.
which will be in October.
Mungkin itu bulan Oktober.
And we will give her a chance to be in business with us.
Dan kita akan ajak mereka untuk ikut bisnis kita.
So you just talk to people wherever you are.
Jadi berkenalanlah dengan banyak orang.
Sometimes Bob says it's embarrassing how many people I talk to.
Kadang-kadang Bob bilang memalukan.
But then he
saya
says,
lakukan.
go get them, Terry.
Tapi dia bilang, ayo Terry.
And no matter how many I talk to, he's always good about calling them up and setting the appointments and showing the plan.
Dan setelah saya berkenalan, tugasnya Bob untuk menelpon dan presentasi.
One time I came home with a card from a gal that I'd met that she had an English accent.
Suatu hari saya bertemu dengan seseorang yang aksennya
She
aksen
was from
Inggris.
England.
Dia dari England.
And I came home and said, Bob, we're going to expand our business to England.
Terus saya bilang, Bob, kita akan mengembangkan bisnis ke England.
And I said, will you call her and her husband?
Terus saya bilang, ayo kamu telepon suaminya dan dia.
Boy, this was many years ago.
Wow, ini udah lama
Her
sekali.
name was, I don't remember what her name was, but her husband's name was Paul.
Nama suaminya Paul.
He was in a band like Bob was in a band.
Dia juga anggota
So
band
she and I had
seperti
talked
Bob.
about that.
Jadi kita
And
bicara
I told her that
dengan
we
band.
were going to expand our business to England.
Terus kita bilang kita akan ke England
So
mengembangkan
Bob
bisnis.
called them up and we went over and showed them the plan.
Terus kita ajak dia, kita presentasi dia.
They got very excited about what we were doing.
Dia semangat sekali melihat Bob
He was
tunjukkan.
tired of entertaining night after night after night and not having any freedom.
Karena dia mulai capek untuk menghibur orang setiap malam.
So they got in business with us that night.
Jadi malam itu juga dia masuk bisnis kita.
And we started showing the plan with them.
Dan kita mulai presentasi dia.
And then they moved back to England.
Dan dia pindah ke Inggris.
And then they went silver producer in England.
Dan dia jadi silver
So
producer
talk
di
to
Inggris.
everybody you see.
Jadi bicara, berkenalan pada semua
Talk to
orang.
everybody.
Berkenalanlah pada semua
Talk to
orang.
those babies.
Bicaralah pada bayi-bayi.
Ladies, talk to those gals.
Bicara pada gadis-gadis.
Look for the people with bright eyes.
Cari orang-orang yang matanya cerah.
Look for the people with dreams and goals.
Cari orang yang memiliki dream
And
dan
even if
goal.
they don't seem like they're very ambitious, you let them tell you whether they're ambitious or not.
Walaupun kelihatannya tidak ambisi, Anda tanya apakah dia cukup ambisius atau tidak.
There are many people out there that need your business,
Banyak orang di luar yang membutuhkan bisnis
but
ini.
you have to show it to them.
Tapi Anda harus tunjukkan pada
You
mereka.
have to talk to them.
Anda harus bicara pada mereka.
Don't be afraid to talk to them.
Jangan takut bicara pada mereka.
They're afraid you won't talk to them.
Justru mereka takut kalau Anda tidak
Because
bicara
if you
pada
don't
mereka.
share your business with them,
Karena Anda akan berbagi usaha ini
they
pada
will not
mereka.
have the hope and the freedom of Network 21 in their future.
Kalau tidak ikut usaha ini, mereka tidak dapatkan impian dari Network 21.
Their hope and freedom is in your hands.
Mungkin kebebasan mereka ada di tangan Anda.
You've got to share your business with them.
Anda harus menceritakan usaha ini pada
They'll
mereka.
decide whether they want to join you or not.
Nanti ya mereka yang putuskan mau ikut atau
Some of
tidak.
them will join you.
Beberapa akan ikut,
Some of them won't.
tapi ada yang tidak mau join.
And no matter who we showed the plan
Dan
to,
tidak peduli siapapun yang kita
Bob and I always
presentasi.
said the same thing to the people when we left them.
Bob dan saya selalu mengatakan hal yang sama saat meninggalkan.
If they joined us in business, we said this.
Kalau mereka join, kami bilang begini.
If they decided not to join us in business, we also said this.
Kalau dia tidak mau join, kami juga bicara ini.
We said, we just want you to know we're going to be big in this business.
Kita bilang, saya ingin Anda tahu kami akan
So
besar di
everywhere we
usaha
went, we
ini.
showed the plan.
Jadi kemanapun kami presentasi.
Everywhere we went, we told them we were going to be big in this business.
Pada setiap orang kami bilang bahwa kita akan besar di bisnis
If they
ini.
joined us in business, we told them they could be big in the business with us.
Kalau mereka join, kita bilang Anda bisa besar bersama kita.
If they didn't join us in business, we said we'll probably be sorry because we're going to be really big in this business.
Kalau mereka nggak join, kita bilang kamu akan menyesal karena kita akan punya bisnis yang besar.
And you know what? I don't know whether we convinced them,
Kita tidak bisa merubah mereka,
but we said it enough that we convinced the two most important people it was to convince.
tapi minimal kita bisa yakinkan beberapa
We
orang.
convinced Bob and I.
Ya, hal itu membuat meyakinkan diri
And
Bob
then
dan
one day
saya.
we were big in this business.
Dan itu membantu kami membangun bisnis ini.
And we had lots of IBOs all over our country.
Dan kami memiliki banyak IBO di seluruh negara
And now
kami.
many thousands of IBOs all over the world.
Dan ribuan IBO kami di seluruh dunia.
And we started exactly the way you started your business.
Dan kami mulai persis seperti Anda mulai bisnis
We
ini.
got excited about our dreams.
Kita semangat pada cita-cita kami.
We weren't afraid to share them with people.
Kita tidak takut berbagi pada orang.
So we connected with people,
Jadi kami berhubungan dengan
made
orang,
new friends,
bersahabat
and
dengan
built our
orang,
business.
dan membangun bisnis kami.
And that's what we've been doing for over 3 decades now.
Dan itulah yang sudah kami lakukan selama 3
And we
dekade.
love our life.
Dan kami mencintai kehidupan kami.
You need to love your life too.
Anda perlu mencintai
Share
kehidupan
your
Anda.
business with more people.
Bagilah impian Anda dengan orang
Get
lain.
excited about what you have.
Putuskan apa yang Anda ingin miliki.
Why don't you double the size of your business before Jim and Nancy and Mitch and Deidre get here in November?
Kenapa Anda tidak mendobelkan bisnis Anda sebelum Jim dan Nancy datang?
Some of you already have very big businesses, so that will take a lot of work.
Banyak di antara Anda yang sudah besar, bisnisnya perlu
But
kerja
if
lebih
just
keras.
every person in your business only sponsors one, then your business has doubled.
Tapi kalau Anda mau double, satu orang aja sponsori satu, Anda sudah double.
So talk to the people around
Jadi
you.
bicaralah pada orang di sekitar
Get
Anda.
excited about what you have in your hands.
Bersemangatlah dengan usaha ini di
Look
tangan
for the
Anda.
people with those bright eyes
Cari orang yang matanya
and
bersinar-sinar.
share your hopes and dreams.
Dan bagilah harapan-harapan ini untuk mereka.
We came to share our hearts with you.
Kami ingin berbagi hati kami untuk
And
Anda.
now I'm going to share one of the biggest parts of my heart with you, and that is my man Bob.
Dan sekarang saya akan bagi hal yang terbesar
So
di hati
listen
kami,
very
yaitu
carefully
Bob.
with your head,
Jadi dengarkan dengan kepala Anda,
but most of all listen with your heart,
tapi bagilah dengan hati
because he
Anda.
will share with you ways that you can share your business,
Karena dia akan mengajarkan pada Anda
And
tentang
share your
usaha ini.
dreams.
Dan berbagi impian.
and you can have freedom,
Dan Anda bisa bebas.
and you can love your life too.
Anda bisa mencintai kehidupan Anda
Thanks for
juga.
inviting us here.
Terima kasih telah mengundang
And now
kami.
please welcome up here my man Bob.
Saya akan panggilkan suami saya Bob.
Love you.
Thank you, Terry. Wonderful.
Terima kasih Terry, luar biasa.
There are 3 levels of knowledge.
Ada 3 level tingkatan dari pengetahuan.
There is knowing,
Adalah mengetahui,
there is understanding,
ada mengerti,
and then there is application.
dan ada aplikasi.
You do not get results until you have knowledge on the application level.
Anda tidak pernah bisa sukses kalau Anda tidak mengaplikasikan pengetahuan Anda.
It does no good to know how to invite until you invite.
Tidak cukup bagus Anda tahu bagaimana mengundang kalau Anda tidak pernah
It
mengundang.
does no good to know how to show the plan until you show the plan.
Tidak bagus untuk Anda tahu bagaimana cara presentasi kalau Anda tidak presentasi.
It is not helpful to know how to lead until you lead.
Tidak banyak yang bisa Anda tahu tentang memimpin sebelum Anda mulai memimpin.
And so when we talk about tapes,
Jadi kalau kita bicara tentang kaset,
and we talk about books,
dan kita bicara tentang buku,
and we talk about growing,
dan kita bicara tentang perkembangan.
I don't want you to buy these so you can have them.
Saya bukan ingin Anda beli supaya Anda memiliki.
I want you to buy these so you can grow.
Saya ingin Anda beli supaya Anda bisa berkembang.
If you're going to buy the tapes and not listen to them, don't buy them.
Kalau Anda mau beli tapi tidak mau dengarkan, jangan dibeli.
If you're going to buy the book and not read it, don't read it.
Kalau Anda mau baca buku ini tidak dapat dibaca, jangan dibeli.
Sleeping every night with this under your pillow will not change your life.
Dengan menggunakan buku ini sebagai bantal tidak akan merubah hidup.
These words will not float up through the cover and into your head.
Kata-kata ini tidak akan loncat dari buku ini masuk ke kepala
This
Anda.
book will not change you.
Buku ini tidak bisa merubah Anda.
Applying the principles in this book will change you.
Mengaplikasikan isi buku ini yang merubah Anda.
I knew how to be a diamond many years before I became a diamond.
Saya sudah tahu caranya jadi diamond bertahun-tahun sebelum saya diamond.
I wasn't willing to pay the diamond price.
Apa saya sudah siap membayar harganya?
I wasn't willing to possess the diamond spirit.
Tapi waktu itu saya belum mendapatkan spirit diamondnya.
I wasn't willing to humble myself as a diamond.
Tapi waktu itu saya belum mau merendahkan hati saya seperti para diamond.
So I went outside until I became a diamond inside.
3 front line.
And they expect all three to go.
You are the representative for the entire country of Indonesia for the 1500-meter race.
Anda adalah wakil dari Indonesia di lomba lari 1.500 meter.
The most glamorous race in the entire Olympics.
Cabang yang paling glamor di sana.
And you have been chosen to run.
Dan Anda sudah terpilih untuk berlari.
You've worked your whole life for this moment.
Anda sudah berlatih selama hidup Anda untuk
And
ini.
you are there.
Dan Anda sudah di sana.
Some way,
Entah bagaimana,
you make it to the finals.
Anda masuk final.
No one can believe it.
Tidak ada yang bisa percaya.
All of the television people are saying, yes, but he doesn't have a chance to win.
Semua berita televisi bilang dia tidak bisa
All of the
menang.
Indonesian newspapers are saying, we're glad he's there, but he doesn't have a chance to win.
Semua koran di Indonesia bilang dia bagus tapi dia tidak mungkin menang.
But in your heart,
Tapi
you
dalam
know
hati Anda,
you're a winner.
Anda tahu Anda akan menang.
The gun goes off.
Pistolnya ditembakkan.
The stadium is full of 200,000 people.
Stadion telah dipenuhi 200.000 orang.
And they begin to cheer.
Dan mereka mulai bersorak.
The greatest runners in the world are in the race.
Pelari-pelari hebat di dunia sudah berlari.
And you,
Dan Anda.
at the end of the first lap, you're still there with the leaders.
Dan di akhir putaran pertama Anda masih di bawah belakang pemimpin.
The second lap, a group has pulled away and you've stayed with them.
Di putaran kedua sudah ada yang mundur tapi Anda masih berlari.
On the third lap, your legs are a little tired, but you're giving it all you've got because it's a once-in-a-lifetime
Di
opportunity.
putaran ketiga Anda mulai lelah tapi Anda berusaha keras untuk menyelesaikan.
And as you begin the fourth lap,
Dan pada saat Anda mulai putaran keempat,
the final lap around the Athens arena,
putaran terakhir di Stadion Olimpiade Athena,
with 200,000 people screaming,
di tengah 200.000 orang yang berteriak-teriak,
you realize there are two of you in front and everyone else is behind.
Anda sadar bahwa Anda di depan tinggal berdua dengan selawan
Only
Anda.
two of you.
Hanya 2 orang.
It's you and the champion of the world.
Hanya ada Anda dan juara Olimpiadenya.
And stride for stride you run.
Dan Anda berbalapan lari dengan
The
dia.
veins are popping from your forehead.
Keringat-keringat mulai keluar dari kepala
Your
Anda.
legs are straining.
Kaki Anda mulai sakit.
Sweat is pouring off of you.
Keringat mengucur deras.
And you go through the first turn
Dan Anda masuk belokan
and the
pertama.
second turn.
Belokan kedua.
And now you're on the back stretch of the last lap.
Dan sekarang Anda tinggal di putaran terakhir.
Just you and the champion of the world.
Hanya Anda dan mantan juaranya.
And all of a sudden you realize you feel pretty good.
Dan tiba-tiba Anda merasa Anda hebat sekali.
And you look over at the other guy
Terus Anda melihat lawan Anda.
and he's really breathing hard.
Dia mulai ngos-ngosan.
And it hits you.
Dan itu membuat Anda
I
bangkit.
can win the race.
Anda yakin Anda bisa memenangkan
I
pertandingan
can
ini?
win this race.
Saya bisa menang di sini.
And you begin to lift.
Dan Anda mulai
And your
meninggalkannya.
arms move.
Tangan Anda mulai
And your
bergerak.
legs move.
Kaki Anda bergerak.
And you think about years of effort and practice.
Dan Anda mengingat bertahun-tahun
You
yang
think about
latihan
your
telah
mother
Anda.
and your father.
Anda ingat orang tua Anda.
You think about all the coaches that have worked with you and for you.
Anda mengingat pelatih-pelatih yang telah
You
melatih
think
Anda.
about all of your friends back in Indonesia.
Anda mengingat teman-teman Anda di
You
Indonesia.
know they're around every television.
Karena di semua televisi di Indonesia.
And you know in every little home.
Anda ingat rumah Anda.
From Surabaya to Jakarta to Bali.
Dari Surabaya, Jakarta ke Bali.
Everyone is watching
Semua orang sedang nonton.
as you begin to run the race of your life.
Saat Anda sedang berlari.
and you go around the third turn,
Anda masuk ke putaran ketiga,
and the fourth turn,
kebelokan keempat,
and into the final stretch,
dan hampir di garis finish,
and all of a sudden you reach for strength inside you,
dan tiba-tiba Anda mendapatkan energi yang luar
and you
biasa,
cross the finish line just ahead of the world champion.
dan Anda mencapai garis finish pertama,
And you are an Olympic champion.
dan Anda jadi juara Olimpiade.
How would it feel?
Bagaimana rasanya?
How would it feel?
Bagaimana rasanya?
And people in the audience
Orang-orang di penonton
begin to scream, Indonesia, Indonesia.
mulai berteriak-teriak, Indonesia,
And someone
Indonesia.
runs down from the audience,
Ada yang berlari dari atas
and they bring the flag of your country and put it around your
dan
shoulders.
memberikan kepada Anda bendera
And you
Indonesia.
run the entire distance of the track.
Dan Anda mau berlari lagi mengitari
And the people
putaran.
on TV say,
Orang-orang di TV bilang,
he didn't have a chance.
dia tidak punya kesempatan.
There was no way he could win.
Sebenarnya dia nggak bisa menang.
But he is an Olympic
Tapi
champion.
akhirnya dia menang.
Every newspaper in Indonesia,
Semua surat kabar di Indonesia,
your face,
ada foto Anda.
the cover of every magazine in Indonesia,
Semua sampul majalah di
your
Indonesia,
face.
ada foto Anda.
And when you come back home,
Dan waktu Anda pulang ke Indonesia,
every school child in the nation wants your picture and wants your signature.
semua anak-anak sekolah di seluruh Indonesia menginginkan tanda tangan Anda.
Did you paint the picture?
Apakah Anda bisa gambarkan itu?
How does it feel to be a winner?
Bagaimana rasanya menjadi pemenang?
How does it feel to be a champion?
Bagaimana rasanya menjadi juara?
Let me paint another picture for you.
Biarkan saya gambarkan gambaran lain.
You started a business
Anda memulai usaha ini
all by yourself.
sendirian.
Nobody,
Tidak ada orang,
nobody in your group,
tidak ada orang di grup Anda,
just you.
hanya Anda.
Somebody called you one day.
Suatu hari ada orang mengundang
They
Anda.
said, I have a business idea I want to talk to you about.
Orang ini bilang, saya punya bisnis.
You said, okay, I'll look.
Anda bilang, oke, saya lihat.
They showed you some literature from Network 21.
Terus dia berikan presentasi tentang Network
They showed
21.
you some Amway products.
Terus dia tunjukkan produk
You
Amway.
said, okay, I'll try.
Terus Anda bilang, oke, saya mau coba.
And then you begin to work at it.
Terus Anda mulai
And you
mengerjakannya.
sponsored one friend,
Anda sponsori
and then
1,
10 friends.
Anda sponsori 10,
And then you had 3 leaders in the group.
dan akhirnya temukan 3
And then you were at
pemimpin.
21%.
Anda jadi 21%.
And you believed I can be a diamond.
Dan Anda yakin Anda bisa
And
jadi
here you
diamond.
are in an arena.
Dan disinilah Anda dalam
And they
arena.
call your name.
Dan mereka memanggil nama
Please
Anda.
welcome new diamond direct
Kita
distributor.
sambut diamond baru.
And you come on
Dan
stage.
Anda naik ke panggung.
How would it feel to
Gimana,
win?
gimana rasanya laki-laki?
How would it feel to be a champion?
Gimana rasanya menjadi juara?
Okay, I'm going to make a few points to you now.
Saya akan berikan poin-poinnya.
First of all, I want to answer the question of what happens when you win.
Pertama saya akan menjawab pertanyaan apa yang akan terjadi kalau
There
Anda
are
menang.
several things that happen.
Ada banyak yang akan terjadi.
You winning sets into motion a whole series of events.
Karena kemenangan Anda adalah sebuah serial dari kerja Anda.
Here's the first thing that happens.
Ini yang nomor 1 akan terjadi.
When you win,
Kalau Anda menang,
the people around you are amazed and impressed.
orang di sekitar Anda pasti akan terkesan.
They honestly are so overcome by your victory that they love you
Mereka akan mencintai Anda
and
karena Anda
they
bisa menang.
believe in you.
Dan mereka mulai percaya
And
pada
every
Anda.
one of us have people around us like that we want to impress, don't we?
Dan kita pasti punya teman sekeliling kita yang ingin kita buat berkesan, bukan?
What do you think your friends are going to think when you go diamond?
Anda pikir apa yang dipikir teman Anda kalau Anda jadi
Let me
diamond?
tell you exactly what they're going to say.
Anda pikir apa yang Anda ingin dapatkan?
She said she was going to do that.
Mereka yakin akan lakukan.
She told me 3 years ago she was going to be a diamond.
Mereka bilang, oh, dia sudah pernah bilang
And
dari dulu
today
dia mau
she
jadi
is.
diamond. Dan dia berhasil.
And your friends truly will be amazed and impressed.
Dan teman Anda akan kagum dan terkesan.
The second thing that will happen
Hal kedua yang akan
is the
terjadi,
people that hate you will shut up.
bahwa orang yang membenci Anda akan menutup mulut.
Have you ever wanted revenge?
Apakah Anda ingin sedikit balas dendam?
Have you ever wanted to show people that they were wrong about you?
Apakah Anda ingin buktikan bahwa mereka salah?
Have you ever wanted to get back at someone who told you this business won't work?
Apakah Anda ingin datangi orang yang bilang bisnis ini nggak jalan?
Well, when you drive your new Ferrari up in front of their house,
Waktu Anda naik Ferrari Anda yang baru di depan rumah mereka.
or when they call you and somebody says, no, they're not here, they're in Hawaii,
Atau kalau dia telepon terus pembantu Anda bilang Anda lagi di Hawaii,
you will have your revenge.
Anda akan balas dendam.
Here's the third thing that happens.
Ini hal ketiga yang akan terjadi.
Winning is addictive.
Kemenangan bisa
The
ketagihan.
more you win, the more you want to win.
Semakin Anda menang, Anda akan kecanduan untuk
You
menang.
don't win once and quit.
Anda tidak menang sekali dan berhenti.
You want more and more and more and more winning.
Anda akan ingin menang, dan menang lagi.
Do you think if you became an Olympic champion, you just stop running?
Apakah Anda kalau jadi juara Olimpiade Anda berhenti berlari?
Of course not.
Tentu saja tidak.
Here's the fourth thing that happens.
Ini hal keempat yang akan terjadi.
The people around you will catch your vision,
Orang di sekitar Anda akan menangkap
and they'll make
visi.
positive decisions
Dan mereka akan buat keputusan
because
positif.
you became a winner.
Karena Anda sudah menang.
You know why people are going diamond in Indonesia?
Anda tahu orang-orang yang akan jadi diamond di Indonesia?
Because people went diamond before them.
Karena ada orang jadi diamond sebelum mereka.
You know why the first diamonds became diamonds? You're still...
Anda tahu kenapa diamond pertama jadi diamond di Indonesia?
Because people in other countries went diamond and taught them how to go diamond.
Karena ada orang di negara lain yang jadi diamond dan mengajarkan
That's why
mereka. Itu alasannya.
there are people who are watching you.
Ada orang yang sedang memperhatikan Anda.
Now listen, when I say you, I'm talking about you guys.
Dengarkan, kalau saya bicara Anda, itu adalah Anda yang di sana itu.
Some of you people who are here and only have one person with you or maybe two people with you,
Ada Anda yang datang ke sini hanya membawa 2 orang.
people are watching you.
Mereka sedang memperhatikan Anda.
There is somebody who will never believe they can be a diamond until you become a diamond.
Dan ada orang yang tidak akan percaya mereka bisa jadi diamond sampai
And
Anda
when
jadi
you
diamond.
become a diamond, that brings the dream alive for them.
Dan saat Anda jadi diamond, itu akan membuka impian mereka.
And the fifth thing that happens
Dan hal kelima yang akan terjadi,
when you make a decision to win
kalau Anda mengambil keputusan untuk menang,
is that other people also catch that vision and your life is changed forever.
kehidupan Anda akan berubah selamanya.
Once you become an Olympic champion,
Sekali Anda menjadi juara olimpiade,
no one can ever take that away from you.
tidak akan ada orang yang bisa mencurinya dari Anda.
Once you hit a home run,
Sekali Anda mendapatkan home run,
no one can ever take that away from you.
tidak ada yang bisa mencurinya dari Anda.
Once you become a diamond,
Sekali Anda menjadi diamond,
you are a diamond forever.
Anda menjadi diamond selamanya.
Nobody can ever take that away from you.
Tidak akan ada yang bisa mencurinya dari Anda.
And you are never the same again.
Anda tidak sama lagi.
Am I right?
Apakah saya benar?
Once you go diamond,
Sekali Anda jadi
life
diamond,
changes, doesn't it?
kehidupan Anda berubah,
It
bukan?
not only changes outside in the way you live,
Bukan hanya merubah yang di luar Anda,
it changes inside in the way you feel.
tapi perasaan Anda juga
And the
berubah.
responsibility that you feel toward other people.
Dan ada tanggung jawab pada Anda untuk orang lain.
But now I also want to tell you,
Tapi saya juga ingin mengatakan pada Anda,
there is a big difference between wanting to win
ada perbedaan antara menginginkan untuk menang
and knowing how to win.
dan mengetahui bagaimana untuk menang.
Everybody wants to win.
Semua orang ingin menang.
If I ask the question,
Kalau saya bertanya,
back in the back,
untuk Anda yang di belakang,
do you want to win or lose?
Anda pengen menang atau kalah?
Of course.
Tentu saja.
It wouldn't matter if I was talking about playing checkers
Apakah kita main catur,
or playing basketball
atau main bola basket,
or building business.
atau membangun bisnis.
When given a choice of winning or losing, everybody wants to win.
Kalau ada pilihan menang atau kalah, semua pilih yang menang.
But not everybody knows how to win.
Tapi tidak semua orang tahu bagaimana untuk
So
menang.
now I'm going to close with these 5 points on how to win.
Jadi saya ingin tutup dengan 5 poin bagaimana untuk
If you
menang.
really want to win,
Kalau Anda ingin menang,
if you really want to be an emerald or a diamond,
kalau Anda ingin benar-benar jadi emerald, jadi diamond,
then here are 5 things you better do.
inilah 5 hal yang harus Anda lakukan.
Number 1.
Nomor 1,
You better get serious.
Anda harus lebih serius.
Get serious
Lebih serius.
about where you are,
Tentang di mana Anda,
about who you are,
tentang siapa Anda,
about where your business is,
tentang bisnis Anda,
about what it's going to take to build your business.
tentang apa yang dibutuhkan untuk membangun
You had
bisnis.
better get serious about all those things.
Anda harus lebih serius tentang ini.
And you better prepare yourself for the fight of your life.
Jadi Anda harus mempersiapkan sebagai suatu perjuangan dalam hidup.
If you think going direct is going to be easy, let me tell you, think again.
Kalau Anda pikir jadi direct itu mudah, saya katakan pikir lagi coba.
Becoming a direct will take all that's in you.
Menjadi direct perlu membutuhkan semua yang di dalam Anda.
Now you may ask this question.
Mungkin Anda bertanya ini,
If going direct takes all I have in me, then how am I going to go emerald?
kalau untuk jadi direct aja sudah membutuhkan semuanya, bagaimana jadi emerald?
Simple.
Sederhana.
When you go direct, you get more fuel.
Kalau Anda jadi direct, Anda akan dapat tambahan bensin.
The fuel to go emerald.
Bahan bakar untuk jadi emerald.
When you go emerald,
Kalau Anda jadi emerald,
you get more fuel.
Anda akan dapat bahan bakar
The
lebih.
fuel to go diamond.
Bahan bakar untuk jadi diamond.
But you need to prepare yourself.
Tapi Anda harus persiapkan diri Anda.
Building our business is the hardest thing we ever did.
Membangun bisnis ini adalah hal tersulit yang pernah kita lakukan.
It was also the most rewarding.
Tapi itu juga yang paling berharga.
You're going to need to really work hard at building your self-confidence.
Anda perlu membangun rasa percaya diri Anda.
That's where these things come in.
Itulah tujuan dari kaset ini.
That's where tapes win the fight for you.
Itulah kaset ini yang berjuang juga untuk Anda.
You will never be sure enough of yourself to be a diamond.
Anda kadang-kadang belum yakin Anda bisa jadi diamond.
But you can put enough tapes inside you that they will help you be sure enough to become a
Tapi Anda
diamond.
bisa dengarkan kaset-kaset dan membuat Anda jadi yakin bahwa Anda bisa.
Self-confidence.
Rasa percaya diri.
Number 2,
Nomor 2,
you are going to need to be totally committed.
Anda perlu betul-betul komitmen.
Absolutely committed.
Sangat komitmen.
You're going to need to sell out to success.
Anda harus pengen sekali sukses.
You will need to mentally eliminate all options.
Dan secara mental Anda harus singkirkan pilihan yang lain.
I said mentally eliminate all options.
Saya bilang secara mental, singkirkan pilihan lain.
I didn't say eliminate all options.
Saya tidak bilang singkirkan semua pilihan lain.
In other words,
Dengan kata lain,
you don't have to quit your job to build your business.
Anda tidak perlu keluar dari kantor Anda untuk membangun usaha
That's a
ini.
counseling question.
Itu pertanyaan konsultasi.
But you need to mentally separate yourself
Tapi-
in order to go diamond.
Tapi secara mental Anda harus memisahkan diri Anda supaya Anda bisa jadi diamond.
You will have to make a decision.
Karena Anda perlu ambil keputusan.
Robert had to make a decision.
Pak Robert harus buat keputusan dulu.
Is my future at Citibank
Apakah masa depan saya di Citibank
or is my future as a diamond?
atau masa depan saya sebagai diamond?
He had to ask himself that question.
Dia harus bertanya tentang diri Anda.
If he had said my future is at Citibank but I still want to be a diamond,
Kalau dia pikir saya tetap mau di Citibank tapi saya juga mau jadi diamond,
he would not have been a diamond.
dia tidak akan pernah jadi diamond.
You see what I'm saying?
Anda tahu apa yang saya
You
maksud?
have to mentally eliminate the options.
Jadi secara mental Anda harus menyingkirkan pilihan
And
lain.
once you turn that switch inside your head, then you're committed.
Dan putar switch dalam kepala Anda sehingga Anda komitmen.
It's like the Olympic race you were in.
Itu seperti pertandingan Olimpiade yang tadi Anda
When you got to
menangkan.
the final stretch
Waktu Anda mendekati garis
and you
finish
gave it all you had,
dan Anda berikan semua tenaga
it
Anda,
was total commitment.
itu perlu komitmen total.
There is no need to save anything for after the race.
Tidak perlu menghemat apapun untuk setelah kemenangan itu.
You hear what I'm saying?
Anda mengerti yang saya maksud?
Leave it all on the track.
Berikan semuanya di dalam track tadi.
Give everything you've got.
Berikan semua yang Anda miliki.
Everything you've got.
Semua yang Anda miliki.
And it'll be enough to get to where you want to be.
Sehingga itu membantu Anda
You're going to
mencapai
need to
tujuan Anda.
play to win.
Anda perlu bermain untuk
Not play to
menang.
have fun.
Bukan bermain-main untuk
Oh, you'll have
bersenang-senang.
fun.
Memang Anda harus
And you
bersenang-senang.
should have fun.
Anda harus bersenang-senang.
Building your business should create happiness inside you.
Membangun bisnis ini membuat kebahagiaan di hati
And you
Anda.
should smile far more than you frown.
Dan Anda harus lebih sering tersenyum sekarang.
But if you're in business just to see what happens,
Tapi kalau Anda jalankan usaha ini hanya untuk melihat apa yang terjadi,
not much will happen.
tidak banyak yang terjadi.
But when you make a decision to play to win, everything happens.
Tapi kalau Anda ambil keputusan untuk bermain untuk menang, semuanya akan terjadi.
Never ever compromise your fundamental values.
Jangan pernah berkompromi dengan nilai dari fundamental Anda.
That is another thing I love about this business concept.
Itulah yang paling saya cintai dari usaha ini.
You won't have to give up your family
Anda tidak harus meninggalkan keluarga Anda.
or your love for your country
Anda tidak harus meninggalkan cinta pada
or your
bangsa.
spirituality.
Anda tidak perlu meninggalkan
You
agama
will
Anda.
not give up fundamental values.
Anda tidak perlu meninggalkan nilai-nilai dasar.
You may give up your Saturday bowling.
Mungkin Anda harus tidak bermain bowling dulu hari Sabtu.
You may give up some TV time.
Mungkin Anda harus mengorbankan jam televisi Anda.
Your golf game may suffer,
Atau Anda harus tidak bermain golf dulu.
but you will never need to compromise your fundamental values.
Tapi Anda tidak perlu berkompromi dengan nilai-nilai dasar Anda.
As a matter of fact,
Bahkan
I believe that going diamond will help all of your fundamental values.
dengan menjadi diamond akan membantu mengangkat semua nilai-nilai fundamental itu.
If you really want to win,
Kalau Anda benar-benar ingin menang.
number 3,
Nomor 3,
you will need to surround yourself with winners.
Anda perlu bergaul dengan para pemenang.
My friends, it's simple.
Sederhana sekali.
If you surround yourself with losers,
Kalau Anda bergaul dengan orang-orang yang
you're going
kalah,
to act like the people around you.
Anda akan bertindak seperti mereka.
If you surround yourself with winners,
Kalau Anda bergaul dengan orang pemenang,
you're going to act like the people around you.
Anda akan berlaku seperti mereka.
I'm a cyclist.
Saya seorang
I love to ride my bicycle.
Saya senang naik sepeda.
I've ridden in some unbelievable places.
Saya main naik sepeda di banyak tempat.
I rode through the Alps and the Pyrenees in Spain and in Switzerland and in France.
Saya pernah naik sepeda di gunung-gunung salju di Eropa.
An unbelievable experience.
Wah, pengalaman yang luar biasa.
50 and 60 miles an hour coming down mountains.
Dengan kecepatan 100 km per jam turun
It's
dari
incredible.
bukit. Luar biasa sekali.
Here's what I have found though.
Ini yang saya temukan.
When I ride with slow riders, I ride slowly.
Kalau saya naik sepeda yang lambat, saya jadi lebih lambat.
When I ride with fast riders, I ride fast.
Kalau saya naik sepeda dengan orang yang lebih cepat, saya akan jadi lebih cepat.
It's more comfortable to ride with slow riders.
Memang lebih nyaman naik sepeda bersama para
I
pesepeda yang
don't
lambat.
breathe as hard.
Mempermudah jantung
I
kita,
don't sweat as much.
menghemat keringat saya.
I'm not as uncomfortable.
Saya tidak ngerasa begitu nyaman.
When I ride with fast riders, it is very, very difficult.
Kalau saya naik sepeda bersama pesepeda yang cepat sangat sulit.
But that's the only way you learn to ride faster.
Tapi hanya dengan itu caranya Anda belajar naik sepeda
So
lebih
I'm
cepat.
saying to you,
Jadi saya katakan pada Anda,
surround yourself with winners.
kelilingi diri Anda dengan para pemenang.
Get as close to your diamond as you can.
Dekatlah sedekat mungkin dengan para diamond
Get
Anda.
as close to your upline emerald as you can.
Sedekat mungkin Yakinlah dengan upline emerald
Get
Anda.
as close to your direct as you can.
Dekatlah benar-benar dengan
Get
direct
as
Anda.
close to your upline executive leader or leaders club person as you can.
Mendekat dan bergaullah dengan upline leaders club atau YLC Anda.
Now you may say, well, those people are so busy.
Mungkin Anda bilang, orang-orang itu kan sibuk.
How will they notice me?
Gimana mereka tahu ada saya?
Put 10 new ones on your front line quickly, they will notice you.
Cepat Anda sponsori 10 frontline, mereka akan mengenali Anda.
Bring 40 with you to the next weekend, they will notice you.
Anda bawa 40 orang ke Free Enterprise, mereka akan menemukan Anda.
Some of you just want to have coffee with your diamonds.
Tapi Anda banyak kan hanya pengen minum kopi aja dengan
Your
diamond Anda.
diamonds would love to have coffee with you, but their time is limited. They have big groups.
Diamond Anda senang minum kopi sama Anda, tapi waktu mereka terbatas.
I learned a long time ago that if I want time with special people, I need to do something to earn the time.
Sejak dulu saya belajar kalau saya ingin menghabiskan waktu dengan seseorang, saya harus berusaha mengambil waktu itu.
I don't want Jim and Nancy to spend time with me because they feel sorry for me.
Saya tidak ingin Jim dan Nancy bersama saya karena mereka kasihan pada saya.
I don't want Jim and Nancy to spend time with Terry and I because we're pitiful.
Saya tidak ingin Jim dan Nancy berdekat pada saya karena saya sangat membutuhkan.
I want them to spend time with us because when they invest time with us, we get results.
Saya ingin mereka bergaul dekat dengan saya karena kalau mereka investasikan waktu mereka dengan saya, mereka
I
mendapatkan
want them
hasil.
to invest time with us because they value our input.
Saya ingin mereka berdekat dengan kami supaya mereka menghargai input kami.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Anda mengerti apa yang saya maksud?
You can put yourself in a position where your diamond will be calling you on the telephone. I'm telling you.
Anda bisa meletakkan Anda dalam posisi di mana diamond Anda pribadi akan menelpon Anda.
Every diamond wants to break another diamond, right?
Karena semua diamond ingin melepas diamond baru.
Every emerald wants to break another emerald, right?
Semua emerald ingin melepas emerald baru,
Every
bukan?
direct wants to break another direct, right?
Semua direct ingin melepas direct, bukan?
They'll pay attention to you.
Mereka memperhatikan Anda.
Just do something.
Lakukan sesuatu lah.
Do it big.
Lakukan hal besar.
Number 4,
Nomor 4.
stay focused on the big picture.
Tetaplah fokus pada gambaran yang besar.
When you're in the middle of winning, sometimes there are distractions.
Kalau Anda ingin mencapai kemenangan, kadang-kadang ada gangguan.
Things that make you want to take your eye off of the big picture.
Gangguan yang berusaha menarik Anda dari gambaran terbesar.
You better focus on the big picture
Anda sebaiknya fokus pada
and
gambarannya
stay on the big picture.
dan tetap pada gambaran yang besar.
Don't be so concerned about micromanaging every little thing in everybody's life.
Jangan Anda ingin mengatur kehidupan hal-hal kecil di dalam hidup Anda.
The big picture is build the business.
Gambaran besarnya adalah bangun usaha ini.
Do what it takes.
Lakukan apa yang dibutuhkan.
Don't get caught up in every little detail.
Jangan Anda terganggu dengan hal-hal yang terlalu detail.
Don't criticize.
Jangan mengkritik,
Don't complain.
jangan mengeluh,
Don't condemn.
dan jangan mengutuk.
You'll be way ahead.
Anda akan maju.
Focus on the big picture.
Fokus pada gambaran terbesarnya.
And number 5,
Dan nomor 5,
demand your best from you.
tuntutlah yang terbaik dari Anda.
If I worked from you,
Kalau saya bekerja dari Anda,
if I were your employee,
kalau saya adalah karyawan Anda,
and you paid me $100,000 US a year,
dan Anda gaji saya $100.000 setahun,
if I didn't come to work
kalau saya tidak masuk kerja,
4 or 5 days in a row,
kira-kira 5 hari berturut-turut,
and you called me,
Anda telepon saya,
and I said, no, I'm not going to come in today, just send my money,
terus saya bilang, saya nggak mau kerja, kirim dulu gaji
how
saya.
would you feel about that?
Gimana perasaan Anda?
If I worked for you,
Kalau saya bekerja untuk Anda,
if I were your employee,
kalau saya adalah karyawan
and I
Anda,
sat at my desk all day,
dan saya tidur-tidur di meja saya setiap
I
hari,
never made a call,
saya tidak pernah
I
menelpon,
never wrote a word down,
saya tidak pernah menulis
I didn't do
surat-surat,
anything but sit there
saya hanya duduk-duduk saja,
and listen to my Sony Walkman all day.
dan setiap hari dengarkan Walkman Sony
Do
saya.
you think I deserve you to pay me?
Apakah menurut Anda perlu berbayar saya?
Of course not.
Tentu saja tidak.
If you pay me a lot of money, you expect a lot of results.
Kalau Anda menggaji saya besar, Anda mengharapkan hasil yang besar.
Well, you should be the same way with yourself.
Anda perlu begitu juga dengan diri Anda sendiri.
If you expect to earn a lot of money, you must demand the very best from yourself.
Kalau Anda mengharapkan uang yang banyak dari Anda harus menuntut lebih banyak dari Anda.
You can build a big business,
Anda bisa membangun bisnis yang besar,
but you will not build it without big effort.
tapi Anda tidak bisa mendapatkannya tanpa kerja keras.
You will not build it without some hardship.
Anda tidak bisa mendapatkannya tanpa hati yang besar.
And you will not build it without changing.
Anda tidak bisa berhasil tanpa perubahan.
I know everybody in this room wants to be a winner.
Saya tahu semua orang di sini ingin jadi pemenang.
And many of you have already won at things in your life.
Dan Anda sudah pernah menang dalam kehidupan Anda sebelumnya.
Maybe you've been a winner in business already, another business.
Mungkin Anda pernah menang di usaha Anda yang lain.
Maybe you're a professional and you've won in your profession.
Mungkin Anda adalah pemenang dalam profesi Anda.
Maybe you're a mother and you have won by raising beautiful children.
Mungkin Anda adalah seorang ibu dan Anda telah berhasil membesarkan anak-anak yang pintar.
Or you're the best dad in the world. That makes you a winner.
Ataukah Anda adalah ayah terbaik yang membuat Anda merasa menang.
Maybe you've completed high school or a college degree and that makes you a winner.
Mungkin di sekolah Anda dulu adalah pemenang.
Maybe you have a job and you bring money home and take care of your family. That makes you a winner.
Mungkin di kantor Anda menghasilkan banyak uang yang bisa menghidupi keluarga Anda.
Maybe you have elderly parents and you're helping them. That makes you a winner.
Mungkin Anda membantu orang-orang tua Anda sehingga Anda merasa sebagai pemenang.
Here's my question for you, friends.
Inilah pertanyaan saya untuk Anda, teman.
If you really want to be a diamond,
Kalau Anda benar-benar ingin jadi diamond,
are you willing to do what it takes to be a winner one more time?
apakah Anda ingin membayar harganya satu kali lagi?
One more time.
Satu kali lagi.
This will be the fight of your life.
Ini mungkin perjuangan terakhir dalam hidup Anda.
Going diamond isn't easy,
Menjadi diamond tidak mudah,
but you can be a diamond.
tapi Anda bisa jadi diamond.
As I look around the room,
Seperti kalau saya melihat sekeliling ruangan ini,
I don't see anyone who I think couldn't be a diamond.
saya tidak pernah lihat satu orang pun yang tidak bisa jadi diamond.
And nobody makes the rules but you.
Tidak ada yang membuat peraturannya, tapi semua yang ada saya lihat.
Even if I did decide you couldn't be a diamond, I couldn't keep you from being a diamond.
Mungkin kalau saya bilang Anda nggak bisa jadi diamond, saya tidak bisa menahan Anda kalau Anda jadi
If
diamond.
all of the diamonds here said, we don't want you to be a diamond, you could still be a diamond.
Bahkan kalau semua diamond ini bilang, kami tidak ingin Anda jadi diamond, Anda tetap
You
bisa
could
jadi
still
diamond.
be a diamond.
Anda tetap bisa jadi diamond.
If all the books and all the tapes disappeared,
Kalau semua kaset-kaset, buku-buku hilang,
you could still find a way to be a diamond.
Anda tetap bisa mencari cara untuk menjadi diamond.
If the gas prices doubled again,
Kalau BBM harganya naik lagi
you could
30%,
still be a diamond.
Anda tetap bisa jadi diamond.
There is only one person
Hanya ada satu orang
who has the power to keep you from being a diamond.
yang memiliki kekuatan untuk membuat Anda jadi diamond.
The only way that you'll not be a diamond
Hanya ada satu cara untuk Anda tidak jadi diamond.
is if you decide you don't want to be a diamond.
Hanya kalau Anda putuskan Anda tidak mau jadi diamond.
That's the only way.
Hanya itu caranya.
If you want to win,
Kalau Anda ingin menang,
you can win.
Anda bisa menang.
You have been blessed with talent.
Anda telah diberikan bakat yang luar biasa.
You have been blessed with a business.
Anda telah diberikan bisnis.
You have been blessed with a country that allows you the freedom to build your business.
Anda telah diberkati sebuah negara yang memberi kebebasan untuk
You
Anda
have been
berbisnis.
blessed with great leaders.
Anda telah diberikan pemimpin-pemimpin ini.
You have been blessed with a business operating system.
Anda telah diberkati dengan adanya sistem di usaha ini.
And you have been blessed with the will to win.
Dan Anda telah diberkati, Anda memiliki keinginan untuk jadi
And you
menang.
can be a diamond.
Dan Anda bisa jadi diamond.
We can be a diamond.
But it won't be easy.
Tapi tidak mudah.
I wish everyone in the audience would be a diamond.
Saya harap semua orang di ruangan ini mau jadi diamond.
But I know the truth is not everyone will.
Tapi saya tahu tidak semua akan.
Someone along the way will lose a dream.
Beberapa orang akan tercuri impiannya.
Someone will listen to a friend.
Beberapa orang akan mendengarkan temannya.
Someone will get 5 no's or 10 no's or 20 no's in a row and give up.
Ada orang yang ditolak 5, 6, 20 kali dan kemudian berhenti.
But I want this day to haunt you forever.
Tapi saya ingin hari ini bersejarah untuk Anda.
I want you to remember this.
Saya ingin Anda ingat ini.
The day you decide not to be a diamond,
Hari di mana Anda memutuskan Anda tidak mau jadi diamond.
only you made that decision.
Hanya Anda yang ambil keputusan itu.
The rest of us still think you can be a diamond.
Yang lainnya, kami tetap berpikir Anda bisa sebenarnya.
For some of you, it'll take 2 years.
Untuk beberapa di antara Anda butuh 2 tahun lagi.
For some of you, it will take 20 years to be a diamond.
Bahkan ada yang butuh 20 tahun jadi diamond.
At Diamond Club last year in America,
Di Diamond Club yang lalu di
There was
Amerika,
a brand new diamond.
ada seorang diamond baru.
18 years to diamond.
18 tahun baru jadi diamond.
18 years to diamond.
18 tahun.
It was unbelievable.
Sangat tidak bisa
The
dipercaya.
entire audience of Diamond stood
Semua orang berdiri
and clapped
dan bertepuk tangan
with tears streaming down their faces
sambil menangis semuanya.
because we were so touched.
Karena kami sangat tersentuh waktu itu.
Not at how long it took them,
Bukan karena waktunya yang membawa
but that
mereka.
they had the courage to fight for so many years.
Karena dia berjuang sekian lama untuk menjadi
It's a
diamond.
powerful thought.
Perlu kekuatan untuk
You
itu.
can be a diamond.
Anda bisa jadi diamond.
And when you leave this weekend,
Dan waktu nanti Anda pulang dari leadership seminar
we
ini,
want you to hold on to that feeling.
kami ingin Anda memegang kuat perasaan itu.
By Monday, the feeling won't be as strong as it is right now.
Hari Senin besok perasaan itu tidak akan sekuat sekarang.
But you must come back to this moment.
Tapi Anda harus kembali lagi ke saat seperti
You
ini.
must come back to the strength of the moment.
Anda harus menemukan kekuatan dari
You
peristiwa hari
have
ini.
to remember what it meant to you to be here.
Anda harus ingat kenapa Anda ada di sini.
You got to remember how it felt when somebody said, you can be a winner.
Anda harus ingat bagaimana rasanya ada orang lain
You
bilang
can
Anda
be a
bisa jadi
diamond.
pemenang. Anda bisa jadi diamond.
You've got to go back in your head and never forget that God blessed you with a talent to do it.
Anda harus ingat dan tidak pernah lupa bahwa Tuhan telah memberikan
And
semuanya
only
untuk
you
Anda.
can
Dan
stop
hanya
you
Anda
from being a diamond.
yang bisa jadi diamond.
Somebody needs you to be a diamond.
Seseorang butuh Anda jadi diamond.
For some of you, it's children at home.
Anak-anak Anda di rumah.
Or men, it's a wife that's dependent upon you.
Atau istri Anda atau pasangan Anda.
Or it's some parents that need you to do it.
Orang tua Anda ingin Anda jadi diamond.
So Terry and I came to tell you, you can be a diamond.
Dari katakan ke Anda
You
bisa
can
jadi
build it.
diamond. Anda bisa bangun
You
ya.
can build it big.
Anda bisa bangun bisnis ini
It doesn't
besar.
matter who you are.
Tidak peduli siapa
You
Anda.
can do it.
Anda pasti bisa.
Don't ever give up on yourself.
Jangan menyerah pada diri
And
Anda
we will
sendiri.
never give up on you.
Dan kita tidak akan menyerah
You
pada
can
Anda.
do this.
Anda bisa
You
lakukan
can do
ini.
this.
Anda bisa
You
lakukan
can
ini.
be a
Anda
diamond.
bisa jadi
You
diamond.
can be a diamond.
Anda bisa jadi
God
diamond.
bless you.
Tuhan
God
memberkati
bless
Anda.
Indonesia.
Tuhan memberkati Indonesia.